Samsung Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus renders leak showing your design. Base Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus variants have SecureSD approvals from China. The Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus have joined the Galaxy S23 Ultra on the way to 3C. The Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus will be coming with a notable redesign when compared to the Galaxy S22, as the first renders and 360-degree videos offers a glimpse of the next flagship phones from the Samsung. The battery will be used inside the Galaxy S23 Plus has appeared in a certification database. Safety Career, as South Korean agency that certifies batteries, has certified the Galaxy S23 Plus battery. In comparison, the Galaxy S22 Plus battery was certified in September 2021 and the Galaxy S23 series will be launched in February 2023. Both phones feature nearly identical design changes. Gone is the iconic rear camera bump that was present in Galaxy S21 and S22 phones. In its place, the new renders show us a device that looks different from its predecessor, offering a sleeker and more refined design. Perhaps one of the first noticeable differences is the rear camera array, and the Galaxy S23 Plus has a camera array that goes back to a more traditional design, heavily deviating from the look of its predecessor. Specifically, the S23 Plus looks to be 0.3 mm taller and 0.3 mm narrower than the S22 Plus, while the vanilla S23 is also reportedly slightly bigger. Ice Universe claimed of increased bezels on the S23 lineup. The phone looks to feature the same flat back and flatter edges as S22 and S22 Plus. The Galaxy S23 Plus will arrive at the 6.6-inch display with thin bezels and a hole punch camera on the screen. One of the more interesting points of the new renders is that there doesn't appear to be a SIM tray. The source speculated that it should have it on the bottom, and we won't really know until we see more of the device to confirm this. This phone complete with a pair of stereo speakers, a USB Type-C port, SIM card tray at the bottom, and volume rockers and power button located on the right side on the phone. The Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus will get hybrid LTPS display, which can only go down to as low as 48 Hz. The S23 comes with a 6.1-inch 1080p panel, and S23 Plus will come with a 6.6-inch 1080p panel, and the S23 Ultra will come with a 6.8-inch 1440p display. So what do you think about the new upcoming Samsung S23 lineup? So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. Peace out.